Hi, my name is David Green with ExpertVillage.com. As we had mentioned before with talking to customers and finding out what services they're in need of and what the condition of their carpet is, we had mentioned vacuuming. Pre-vacuuming is one of the things that we ask about. And so if they haven't done it recently, or they don't have a quality vacuum, this is where it's important to have a vacuum on your van where you can provide the service when needed. And it's one of those things where a lot of people would say that it's better off to always provide it, because a lot of people think they have a decent vacuum and they don't. But something you have to use your own discretion on that, because it definitely is beneficial to remove as much lint and dry debris from the carpet before cleaning. And if you think of it like if you had a lot of dirt on this carpet and you get it wet, it's like creating mud, and mud is harder to remove than dry soil. So that's where the importance of a pre-vacuum comes into place. Now, you can carry a vacuum on your van, or this is what's referred to as a, the name is a turbo cap, but it's a truck-mounted powered vacuum. And basically what you've got a little turbine motor, or that just from the high velocity of the vacuum pulling through that turbine, it propels the brush. It's attached to a cable, and so this is 100% powered by just vacuum alone. And if you, here, let's go ahead and connect it. You can see it turning here. Let's go ahead and seal that off. So basically you can see with that, unfortunately we don't have a dirtier carpet to show you, but you can hear some of the stuff being pulled up in that, and you can see the power of that just because of the high power of our truck mounts.